Alina Investing App Review 2025 Personalized Investing Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how personalized investing has become in 2025. Alina promises to tailor investments to your goals and risk tolerance, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming investing requires complex strategies or large sums. Alina offers automated, goal-based portfolios that adjust allocations to match your preferences and life plans. One major advantage is customization. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app recommend specific investments based on your age, income, and financial goals. Whether it's retirement planning, saving for a house, or building wealth, your portfolio evolves with your life. Alina also provides insights and educational resources, helping beginners understand risk, returns, and diversification. Real-time tracking and intuitive dashboards keep you informed without overwhelming complexity. However, there are cons. Fees can add up over time compared to DI investing, and highly experienced investors may find the app less flexible. Investment performance depends on market conditions, so returns aren't guaranteed. Some advanced features require a premium subscription. In conclusion, Alina Investing in 2025 is ideal for individuals seeking a guided, personalized, and accessible investment experience. While fees and limited advance options exist, the convenience, goal-oriented approach, and educational resources make it a strong choice for both beginners and those looking for a hands-off strategy.